Buddy Brian back here with a look at Bitcoin. Got some major stuff going on out there today. All right, looking for a possible pullback around 65,000. I'm going to show you this could bounce from right where it's at. But the big news, the Russell. All right, look at this thing breaking through the 702. This is our bull run. This is the crypto bull run right here. Okay, out on a monthly. I'm going to show you something here. All right, put a Fibonacci on this thing. We need to get through a 786. We're getting through that 786. All right, this thing 4.236 extension is up at 25. All right, if this would have been the top, you would have expected an ABC pattern to come in here. I put a video out the other day on Caspa. I put the Dow Jones, the S&P 500, and the NASDAQ all over top of this. All right, and everything was pointing to higher prices. Them things all follow each other. The only one that didn't do an extension was the Russell, and it looks like it's doing it now. All right, we broke through the 702. The 786 here is breaking through. Looks like a 5 wave coming in. This is the big news, guys. This thing has to break out for a crypto bull run. Absolutely has to. Okay, so it has to take out what is it, that 2280 right where it's at right now, and it's breaking through a 786, which would mean a 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5th wave up. All right, so this is the massive news out there, the Russell 2000. Every time crypto is at a bull run, this thing is at a bull run. I follow a guy on Twitter that talks about this constantly, real big chart guy. All right, says we have to have a breakout in this for the crypto bull run, and we are getting right there. Okay, this thing is right on the verge of breaking through here. All right, so let's head back over to Bitcoin here. That everything is lining up. If that thing heads up for a 5th wave, that would coincide with a bounce in Bitcoin. All right, and one other thing over here in that Russell, we do have a little bit of bearish divergence coming in here, okay, which would overall, this would be a 3rd wave. All right, if you don't know all this stuff, guys, sign up for level 3, please, and learn how these Elliott waves. All right, you would have a 1, 2. This would all be a 3rd wave, then a 4th wave pullback, which would coincide with bearish divergence down here. Okay, 4th wave pullback and then a 5th wave extension to the upside. All right, but you do have bearish divergence unless this thing takes out this high over here. But on every single time frame, there's the 12-hour. All right, so far lower high. I just don't see it taking out this high over here. The 8-hour, which you do have a lower high so far, but I just, even with a break here, I don't see it taking out this high over here. I just don't see it. I see bearish divergence forming, and a that would come, like I said, coincide with this bigger 4th wave pullback. Now this breakout of this 786 and a run up to 2358 for a 5th wave, like I said, would coincide with Bitcoin running up for a B wave, and then a C wave, excuse me, rolling over here. All right, where could this thing go to? Well, if it bounces here at 65, all right, that would be right up at a 618, 67.2. All right, you put that on top of that, 63.7. All right, so watch at 65, see if we get the bounce there, and that also lines up right here. We put a Fibonacci down here. All right, right with a 618. Look at that. There's your 618. Here's that major support area. I'm going for a long right here. I'm going to try to ride this B wave up. If I get it, if I don't, I don't. But we'll see what happens here. But right around 65,000 is that major support. And that's your 618 Fibonacci area. So watch for a possible run back up to 67. And then roll back down to 63. Right, the RSIs got the 12-hour actually rolling over, the 8-hour still rolling over, your 4-hour. All right down at the very bottom here, right? So you have your 8 and your 12 still pushing down. This thing could bounce from here, absolutely could, no question about it. It's right in that area. All right, I've been trading smaller moves in here. You had a fourth wave pullback here and a fifth wave down. Well, that measurement for that fifth wave, all right, just about got it here. It's right in the middle. Okay, it could bounce there, you know, but target's down 65.2. All right, so I got out of it here. I don't like pushing my luck too much. You know, if you're in profit, take it. You know, these things do not always do the full extensions, but look how close this is. I mean, this target even has to come down just a little bit further, even, you know, 65, 157. All right, so keep an eye on it, guys, especially if you long and short. You know, if this gets out to you in time, I sent it out to Discord already. Everybody over there is aware and ready. So if you're not in there, sign up for a level 3 membership and get in there with us. Have a great day, everybody. I will talk to you very soon. Congratulations, though. The Russell is looking fantastic. Have a great day, everybody.